How to add your married name on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your married name on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now just go down and here you will find account settings. Click on it and then click personal information, and here click name, and now just go down and you will find add a nickname, and here just click nickname and now select married name. Then just type your married name here, and after you add it just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.